पहचानिए नहीं यार नहीं पा खुद नहीं करता
एक बार गया था यहाँ पे ब्लैक निकल गया था उसकी बात करें सबसे मुश्किल पार्ट ये वाला था
कैसे से करना है ना
कैसे ये छोड़ा हुआ था
कीमत भी हो जाता है
ब्लैक निकला था शेयर में जाना
मैं तो कुछ भी करता हूँ तीसरा नंबर है वो कौन है
दशरथ लोकेश अभिषेक नायक आर्यन त्यागी आर्यन जैन अमन रजोरिया कुणाल शर्मा लक्ष्य गोयल भूपेंद्र कौंसे नितांशु नमन जयपुरिया रजब एब्सेंट शिवानी मीना सुष्मिता सहासिना आयुष बंसल you were late last week or you did not come last week? Pradut absent Rishikesh Vinayak Bansal Shitish Samnani Dipesh Gautam Rishi is supposed to withdraw, right? Rishi is going to withdraw, right? Okay, and then who is in? Aditya. Yeah, tell me your entry number. 2021. Yes, sir. H 10 430. 2021 CH. Aditya Rana. Rishi absent. Harsh Jain absent. Ayush Kumar present. Adi Bambit present. Sued present. Tausif present. Dikshan absent. Aviral absent. Aditya Rana present. Saurabh Ozim absent. Saptarshi Banerjee Absent. Amrita. Absent. Perfect. Srivastava. Perfect. No.
Submit is present ऐसे लिख दिया.
Vayun. Absent. Dinima. Absent. Anuj Pandu. Absent. Kalan. Absent. Mandira. Akarshan Vitan. Matiman Saxena. Absent. Varun Ayush. Yes, sir. Rhythm. Absent. Shaurya. Ayansh. ठीक है. So let's just wait and then start the program. So this is very good, right? Let's go from the present. Sunav Sharma, Mutendra Pansa, and Naman Rajaria. So they will be absent. Saraj Sinha, they are also going to be absent.
काम निकल रहा था.
कौन सा है?
पापा पीट दिए गए ना बच्चों ने बताया था तुमने. पापा पीट दिए गए ना तो तुमने.
ये तकलीफ दिया है.
तुम्हें बोला था कि थप्पड़ मार दिया था तो कान के ऊपर वापस आ गया.
ये ईयरफोन भी खाने के बाद पिछले साल में
Wait, in the meantime, if you want to discuss anything, any topic you want to discuss? Anyone? No topic? So let's talk about intelligent quotient and emotional quotient. Very good topic to discuss.
Yeah.
Are you guys with me? What is the topic that
तो
we will
लगता है
discuss?
अच्छा है.
तू यहाँ तो एब्सेंट है.
What is the topic that we will discuss?
अबे अभी तो
Before we
attendance लिया.
start the presentation?
नहीं उनको लगता है अगला प्रेजेंट उनको लगता है एक ही प्रेजेंटेशन आ रहा है.
नहीं नहीं 3 है.
Tomato starts?
तुम्हारा भी तो आज ही है.
Just tell me what is the difference between these two? Is there the back? Yes, tell me. What's your opinion?
Onward.
What you are busy with? You're busy with something? You are? Yeah, but we started some discussion, right?
ये लोग
So what
कैसा
is
लग रहा
your
है मेरे
opinion about emotional
क्या जी?
intelligence
ये लोग
or
सही है मेरे
and
Look,
sorry, EQ and IQ? Emotional quotient and intelligence quotient. You three will not get, you two will not get attendance. You are late. Yeah, we agreed for 5 minutes because the class has been reduced to 1.5 hours. So I think we will start the
बाल मत
presentation.
कटाओगा.
Let's end.
बाल मत कटाओगा. कहते हैं दाढ़ी कटाने का अच्छा लगता है. गुड्डा लगता है.
So then it doubts
Yes, you
that
are.
you will be able to pass 50%.
ये तो
And yes, you are not going to succeed. Remember what is this thing? Remember, you remember what is this thing? Are you complete that solution? Okay, but still it will not let it.
इतना ना बच्चे यही पे लूँ.
Do you form any group yet? No. Then? Maybe none. There is one girl left, Aditya Rana. He has already formed a group. No, you have already formed a group. So then you need to have 2 presentations if you are going alone. It's fine. But as of now, you have only 1 attendance. And I will consider from the date when everybody was having this option for ad drop. So it's 8th of August. surface will be counted from that date. Okay, if it is qualifying for 50%, then only you can get, or you can expect, if presentation are reasonably well, then you can expect half marks for this course. Okay? You will get half. Still, I'm waiting for your email.
See if I send the email after the podcast.
2.5 will make it 4 or 1. So if you again have you are late, then that will be considered as presentation. Okay? Yes, Tausif, please start.
Hello everyone, so my name is Tausif Alam. So now I am presenting the serious effect. So start with the question. Anyone know about this effect or see anywhere this effect? It's not so like when you open the Coke bottle, then you see bubbles come from bottom and cluster at mid and then it goes near the wall. So this effect is called as serious effect. So first from the introduction part, the serious effect, see in the figure, many cluster from where Cheerios float on the mid. So how it happens? Due to the surface tension and the buoyancy. The physical mechanism. Here in a figure, you see a bubble at cluster near the wall, also in the mid. Sticking to the wall, meniscus effect. Then anything float or any liquid, like then it's like a meniscus. By meniscus effect, anything which float on the liquid. Due to this meniscus and buoyancy force apply on this and also surface tension, but then it reaches on the surface. So this buoyancy helps to cover the distance along with meniscus. This is the buoyancy versus tension, which is also written here in a PPT. So here is a full video. So in first video, we will see how two pins are attracted. Why it are attracted? Because same meniscus is formed. Then two pins are put in the surface of liquid. Same meniscus is formed surrounded the pin. Then same meniscus formed. Then it is attracting force. In second video. Here we will see the one pins without pin, only cap, and other are with pin. Two are repaired because
Unfortunate.
Event. थोड़ा कंटिन्यू करो.
because different meniscus have formed. One form a downward meniscus and other forms are upward meniscus. So both are different meniscus, so the repelling effect. So mathematical modeling. So here we balance the hydrostatic force with surface tension force dF square h by dF square rho g h and sigma surface tension. So when we solve the second order differential equation, we know the general equation is ai e to the power h come, and then we put a boundary condition at one phases x tending to minus infinity, height is 0, and in three phases x x is plus infinity, also height is 0, and when x is 0, then height is del z. Then we put a boundary condition, then we got this equation, and for recursion, we solve cot theta. We need this condition, cot theta 1 and cot theta 2 less than 0. Then different ministers form, and this is the condition for within circuit. So for different ministers form, this figure, then object is floating, then this minister is formed, then like object is denser than the liquid density, then different minister is formed. Like come into the antiphilic state. Like antiphilic means we know the like one material show the different properties. Like one attract like water and other in repel the water. So it is extremely verified. Like we put a small wire metal inserted in the loop of tap like tape, and other figure show the rectangular tab inserted between the pin and also without a pin, only tab. Like due to the more mass near the wire, so center of mass is displayed near the wire. So here we will see the center of mass displayed. Like maybe we take a length 2b slab and center of mass, display center of mass. Here center of mass again, let's say d beta. So how much center of mass displayed? Total length from mid is d. So this is d minus d beta. So d then minus beta. This is the center of mass displayed. So in this graph, we see the angle, the product of angle versus beta, displayed beta. When beta is 0, you will see beta is 0, it means the original center of mass. So here we will see the small number of beta give the negative product of angle. So negative product of angle means like we found different type of motion at the both ends. Like here maybe this subject here different type of motion. So repelling condition is the phi 1 and phi 2 is less than 0. So conclusion, in this topic we explored the curious effect. We describe how floating objects tend to cluster together or move toward the world. The real world example is water walking a spider. You will see like how water spider float on the surface of water due to the surface tension. And also a specific species like Nivolia piscoli, it work on this, like it displays the center of mass for taking up from the water surface. So future research is like how here by when we put a small hair, how it bend to the center of the due to the maybe it may be due to the Chirias effect, but don't know. It is a future research.
Okay. Ali. I told you in the beginning, you are not allowed to spend your electronics during studying in this lecture. If you want to answer, you can go outside. Because we are having less than 2 hours of lecture session. And then you are not present here. Then there is no point of having this session. I told you the very first thing. So all those attendance will be good when it's absent. Next time it's good. Give him feedback. What did you talk about? What did you talk about? What is that? That's fine. What is that?
So it's the effect same speed is the effect when same resistance when something when something is spreading on water and it forms same type of resistance.
You are present the same presentation twice and you cannot explain that. Now you see the level of your interest or attendance. I don't know how you can help yourself. Yes, we'll take that.
I have one point, as an administration point, that you explain different things like listeners and you had videos and images that were very good in explaining the topic, so that was a very good feedback as well. And one perspective was very simple that you could be much more louder, like you were sitting here, so you could be more loud and confident in explaining those points, like the concept that you were explaining. You are good enough, but you could be more loud and confident.
Yes. How you say?
And one thing that we used to explain using the blackboard was something that
Is there any flaw in the presentation slides?
most of it was covered.
There are flaws, yes.
Sir, first of all, this is a book, I think the fluid mechanics chemical is very complex, but the presentation was kind of simple and understandable to others also, and
Is there any area where you can improve this presentation?
sir, when like the equation slide, there was lot of things like there are a lot of words.
There is areas where it can improve.
There is a little bit communication is louder and presentation was nice.
The main feedback is कि the way of speaking can be बाकी I really like to use the board and the slides were nice.
I think the confidence part is one very good. Also, for the topic, I think it is a very pure, cold chemical topic which may not be very understandable for people. Also, I think it went to quite a lot of them. I was able to understand because I also have the same course, but I don't think like most of the people will be able to understand. So maybe we can explain a bit at less of a depth and give the broader picture.
And one thing that I noticed that when you introduce this topic, you said that when you open the bottle, so bubbles start to come out from the bottom of that bottle. And then you said that it's kind of aggregation of something that is not important. So I couldn't get a connect between these two. And also in the slides, there were lots of words you can reduce it. And there were slides in which the picture was overlapping with something else. So this was different.
So the topic was good, and you can just explain more about the mathematical model. Just with a slide contrast to understand how it is.
So the topic was good and the presentation was time. Just the application part of it.
So the examples were good. We could visualize because we talked about that. But when you first told it's about the Coke example, and I felt like it's about something the Coke that comes like the fountain's way. I thought it's something related to that. Then transitioning from Coke example to then example, yeah. थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे misunderstanding था. Then the mathematical equation, I don't know if others will understand. I couldn't relate mathematical. Yes. And one was those E1 example that when they are same, they are attracting, and when it's different, they are
Explanation was missing.
I love the way he explained in the animated way, the concept in a visual way, and he explained also in the board. The electricity.
I like that he explained on board. One thing I noted in the slide, like they were somewhat text heavy, and at one place like there was a flow going on that I was not able to catch properly because of the presentation.
great. It was well organized, videos, and there was not a lot of hopscotch happening in the middle, so I think that's good. I think I'll really comment on the topic of the presentation because I haven't seen other presentations to compare it with. It must be interesting only. We explained use of the board, EDL examples, I think all those are plus points. But one point would be the volume, because since I was on the first page, I could hear it, but I'm not sure what it is.
I discussed the question, but I had to like there was because मेरे को attention देने के लिए I had to force myself further because it felt a little monotonic like when we were speaking. So the presentation was well made. He knows the topic very well. He has knowledge of the topic. He knows it in depth. But again, to communicate it to the audience, I think that is something that should be made about.
So actually, the presentation is not that good. Okay, come to the slides. For everyone, never use all caps anywhere. This is the first flaw. Okay, do not change the patterns of the slides in different slides. So in some cases you have this line item very on the left. In some cases you have the horizontal. Do not make those things. When you put the references, this is not the way to provide the references. You could have September 1 instead. You should have mentioned the journal name within bracket after 2005. Those are authors, not journalists. They have published the article in some journal. That journal name should come within a bracket after the year. There is one format that could be okay, or you can have just like the Vela et al. Then only the journal name and the year name, year value. So these are the way you to provide the references, and you significantly need to increase the volume of your voice. That's actually everybody was mentioning that. You had a very catchy topic, but you significantly missed the opportunity to make it attractive to the audience. That's actually a flip side of your presentation. If you have thought a little bit more, then how you can make it a very attractive to the audience. You started with the example. It costed you 20 rupees to buy a bottle of Coke, pour it in a glass, capture the video, put it here. That would have been a very catchy video at the beginning when you talked about the title, Serious Effect. Below that title, it could have kept that video, and then you can start with the explanation. Now, it's basically the hydrophobic and hydrophilic nature of the material that gives you this sarcasm. These are the physical explanation you should focus more rather than the mathematical derivation for this kind of presentation here. Okay. That if you have a hydrophilic molecule, it will create the concave curvature. For a hydrophobic, you will have a convex one. How this curvature can help you to create different kind of assembly. You put a bubble in the liquid, it will come at the surface, but it will not stay at the surface. It goes to the edge of the glass. How it happens? So that physical explanation should have been there. That was missing. Yes. So you should have made this more attractive to the audience. That part is significantly missing. Yes. You don't know?
तो
you know?
आपका नाम है
नहीं ये है ये
You are Aryan, right? Yeah, he's the fourth member. Yeah, because he was not getting any, or maybe you can team up with him.
as you say, but it's okay with these group.
He doesn't like you.
no.
Okay, fourth member is allowed.
Exceptional cases, because he was not able to find any group
Okay.
to present. That was the
Okay.
reason. Okay, got it? Yes, come up with your presentation.
तो ठीक है हमारा हो गया नेट वाले दे देंगे तो इफ्तार हमारा हो गया नेट वाले दे देंगे
कोई भी दिन मुझे मेरी तो छुट्टी हो गई
हो गया हमारा
हो गया
अभी और नहीं है प्रेजेंटेशन
ये देंगे क्लास में अटेंडेंस
लास्ट दिखाऊंगा लास्ट भी देगा
जो नहीं आएगा उसके नंबर कटेंगे ना जो नहीं आएगा उसके नंबर कटेंगे
नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे कटेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे
उसके नहीं मिलेंगे जो आएगा उसको तो मिलेंगे
कहाँ जा रहा है
बैठ
अगर प्रेजेंटेशन हो गया
हाँ
स्टार्टिंग में क्लास मिस करेंगे
हाँ पता नहीं
उसके मार्क्स में तो ऊपर अटेंड
Yeah. You also used all caps. I told you at the beginning. Preferably did not use all caps because our eyes and brains are not habituated with all caps. That is the reason. For your names, that's fine, but for the title as well as the title of each slide, preferably avoid that text configuration. Okay? Yeah, please start.
So, a very good evening, everyone. I am Arif Ahmed, she is Mandira Das, and Aditya Rana. Together, we will be presenting our slides with the title of Sustainability on Fine Chemicals Technology. And start with Mandira.
Mainly here we will talk about green chemistry. Now, what is green chemistry? It is also known as sustainable chemistry, and this actually aims to design chemical processes and products that minimize environmental impact while maximizing efficiency and safety. Why we need this right now? Because this actually protect the environment, ensure resource efficiency, and reduce waste generation, promote human health and safety, lower cost and foster innovation, achieve regulatory compliance. What we do is actually here the cost we try to reduce it, and the waste generation also we try to reduce it with increasing efficiency, which generally obviously it helps in our production. Now if we talk about mainly fine chemicals, then what is fine chemicals? Firstly, these are pure substances in limited quantities, mainly less than 5,000 tons per year, vital for specialty chemicals like pharmaceuticals and agrochemical due to high purity and specific properties. Now, increasing E factor and outsourcing. What is E factor? E factor is waste per unit product, like waste per unit API. Now, E factorizing, driving outsourcing to countries like China and India for cost reduction, posing environmental sustainability and concern. Like if we see in USA or the Western industries, there the cost of the production is very high. Like it can reach to 1 million USD per management. But in India or in China, these type of countries, because of the cheap cost of Asian labors and the resources there, we can reduce these amount up to 0.1 million USD per. Now shift towards the heterogeneous catalysis, moving to solid catalysis for cleaner, more sustainable processes, facilitating easy separation and reuse, aligning with green chemistry principles. If we talk about the rationale for green chemistry adoption, first the economical imperatives, cost savings and resource efficiency that I have explained earlier. Now environmental imperatives, obviously pollution reduction, regulatory compliance. Societal imperative is corporate responsibility and public perceptions. Now if we talk about the challenges for chemistry in green chemistry, then mainly the fine chemical industries have faced a lot of challenges during shifting towards this sustainable chemistry thing. For mainly developing new synthetic pathways and reaction conditions, identifying alternative solvents and safer chemicals, and overcoming thermodynamic limitation and lack of awareness. After all these advancement in flow chemistry, then still fine chemicals stick to mainly CSTR till date. Now Ali will describe.
Moving forward to the catalysis part, that is very essential for when it comes to fine chemicals technology. So we have the fine chemicals and the specialty chemicals that are very essential in industries such as the pharmaceutical industries or the drug industries. So what in talking about the biocatalysis, we have different advantages of using enzymes or related products. The very most important thing is enantioselectivity. That refers to more than around 90% selectivity when it comes to enantiomers. So that, their enzymes offer exceptional selectivity and produce mostly the chiral products. We have different conditions required for those and different applications for the chiral drug synthesis in the fine chemicals and pharmaceutical industries. So we have immobilized enzymes, which is more utilized for the enhanced stability and recyclability, as well as the simplified downstream processing and reduced purification cost. Now a shift towards the heterogeneous catalysis is what we need to see when it comes to sustainability. We have different advantages of the heterogeneous catalysis. The very most important ones comes when it comes to separation, that is separation of the catalyst and the products. That is there can be an easy separation between the two, and we can go about into the recyclability of the products. So certain examples that we can see is supported rhodium catalysis, encapsulated MNPs, that is metal nanoparticles, and those of things which are required for enhanced sustainability. Certain challenges and limitations that come across when dealing with heterogeneous catalysis pertaining to leaching as well as the catalyst lifetime that you can see here, which compromises the catalyst lifespan and product purity.
Shake it a little bit. Yeah. Good, do not press too much. Yeah.
Green chemistry in pharmaceuticals and fine chemicals industries. So we have the different processes such as from the drug discovery to the drug development and then to the production phases, and all those different processes we require things that pertain to the sustainability as well as in the green chemistry formulations. So we have different efforts. We have a role of the ACS GCI, that is the American Chemical Society, the Green Chemistry Institute. They conducted a pharmaceutical roundtable conference, and certain rules and regulations were formulated in that roundtable, which shaped the research agendas, developed innovative tools and certain things. We have certain examples when it comes to successful green chemistry initiatives, which can be the Genovia, that is from the Merck and Company, and we can see the Cristal, that is from AstraZeneca. So these are certain catalysts that have been generated using the fine chemicals and green chemistry technology. Different, summarizing the different solution perspectives, the continuous processing, which refers to the continuously the flow rates of those things in getting consistent products that have certain advantages such as lower cost, better quality, enhanced safety, and different solutions which can be applied in the industries when it comes to fine chemicals technology. So these develop integrated continuous processes, address startup and operational challenges, as well as extend to the biopharmaceutical manufacturing. We have the bioprocesses regarding the bioorganisms and those related products. So those have certain benefits, the very most important ones being eco-friendly synthesis and selective, that is enantiometric routes that we can see. We can integrate those solutions into the bioprocess engineering and develop catalysts which require in the industries. We have reactions and separations, significance as well as solutions. We have the solvent selections which drive sustainability and are used for user-friendly tools as well as integrate into the synthesis strategies. So these are just summarizing the different solution perspectives when it comes and how the solutions can be imposed into the industries in the modern era. And finally, the process intensification, that is intensifying certain processes when it comes to manufacturing, which increases yields as well as sustainability of the products. So we have different solutions which showcase examples as well as provide selection guidance, and the life cycle assessment when it with regards to all the different processes of a particular generation in the life cycle of all the different processes of those particular things, the LCA tools. So moving forward to the future directions and emerging trends.
Future directions and emerging trends. Here we have showcased some of the topics we have highlighted, such as development of new catalytic systems. It focuses that novel catalytic systems are crucial for green chemistry, specifically in fine chemical industries. Examples: heterogeneous catalysts and biocatalysts. Exploration of alternative solvents to solve the challenge that conventional solvents pose to environmental and safety concerns. Solutions could be ionic liquids, supercritical fluids, and bio-based solvents. It impacts is that it enhances reaction rates, selectivity, and separation, aligning with green chemistry principles. Integration of renewable sources. Its significance is that it reduces dependence on fossil fuels, supporting sustainable and crucial economies by shifting towards bio-based economies using renewable resources like algal biomass. Process intensification and energy efficiency its objective is to improve efficiency and minimize energy consumption. And last, interdisciplinary collaboration and knowledge sharing. Conclusion. Relevance of green chemistry is essential for achieving sustainable development goals, minimizing environmental footprint and addressing societal concerns. And its industrial role is that the fine chemicals industry can lead the way by integrating green chemistry principles, focusing on sustainability and maintaining product quality and economic viability. At last, I would conclude by saying that the implementation of green chemistry principles in pharmaceuticals is not only about compliance and cost saving, but also about taking a responsible approach towards environmental and societal well-being. By innovating and integrating sustainable processes, the industry can lead the way in achieving greener, safer, and more efficient production methods. Okay, next time.
Alright, so first of all, the point a lot of things are in capitals, or that was one point. The point was in the middle, I lost you guys for a minute in the middle, and it was really difficult for me to come back and understand basically what was happening in the presentation. I think instead of talking about a few points in depth, you guys were talking about a lot of different things, and that is what made it a little confusing for me, somebody who is not really familiar with the whole idea. So yeah, otherwise presentation-wise, I think the presentation skills were at par. So that is it.
Okay, good.
Can you just go back a few slides? Okay. What I feel is there was, if they have taken anything that mentioned references at the last, they would have mentioned references below that picture. One thing I noticed.
Anything else?
I feel there was flow in the presentation, the capital parties are already. I'm not very familiar with this topic, so what is the topic?
Not the topic, overall, is there any idea of what the tools?
So I think only the mentioning the bibliographic part.
The IS.
So, in the editing part, everything is in caps, taxes.
I think they presented well.
Nice.
Presentation is good. One thing that they can plan their editing such a way that it can
The presentation is very superficial. There is no depth in that presentation. Yes, that's it.
I have a bunch of questions. One, she said when we shift from America to countries like India and China, we will reduce the cost from 1 million to we will reduce the cost by 1/10. How is it possible? If someone is getting salary of 1 crore, then they'll be getting paid 10 lakhs for the same in India or in China. And there are some.
Louder.
You have said when we transfer from America to countries like India and China, will reduce the labor cost by 1/10. Suppose if someone is getting 10 lakh, then he'll be getting 1 lakh for the same in India. And there are other terms like shifting from fine chemicals to specialty chemicals. How you haven't explained the specialty terms. And when we were talking about the biogas production, will it come to fine chemical or the bulk chemicals? And all the references in the images were received.
Can you answer his question?
Mainly the cost reduction part, then like obviously we also know that the material cost or the cost of the area where we're gonna produce
Labor cost.
only the labor cost.
You have highlighted the labor cost, like because of the cheap labor, will reduce the cost by 1/10.
Not only because of the labor cost, it is one of the example. Like there are a lot of costs that will that we can cut down when we shift from Western countries to countries like Asian countries, because we also know that the labor cost, obviously including the material in India and China, like in these Asian countries, we can get these things in cheaper rates, and also. Because of, I think, the population also, we will if you want to focus on mainly labor cost, then because of the very population in India, say we can get a lot of labors in cheaper, obviously, than Western countries, and the area where we gonna make our industrial costs, we can cut down in those things also. So all these things were included in that.
The topic was very much nice because of the present day, and it was very much beautifully presented.
What's your name, by the way? What's your name? Sorry? Varun. Yeah. Can you pick up? Yeah. Continue. It was not nicely described though, but anyway, you are not listening. Yeah, toss it.
I want to understand what is the difference and
They had mentioned at the beginning the definition on the first slide. What do you mean by green chemistry? And the first slide. Yeah. Great. So they had mentioned, but you had to read, otherwise. But also she mentioned that verbally.
little bit understand.
Okay. Yes.
His choices of color was good, although it was a bit superficial.
I think initially, like, main highlights would be that there was a lot of text, maybe something could be converted into infographics so that there could be a better interactive environment. Also, I think there was a lot of content, maybe the content could have been reduced and it could be explained to a bit better.
Sorry.
The way the presenting the presentation is good, but they should have included an example, like a high chemical special information. And in the biogas production, it's the 5 big high things. The production of grade is high. Specialty production product are used in pharmaceutical. They are especially for their effect, how they affect. So they should have included one example in this. So it might be clear.
It was quite energetic. The body language was also presenting the sides, which was speaking to. It was a good presentation.
Presentation was good, yes.
So in the explanation part, when they were you explained that fine chemicals are those that are produced in less quantities or less food, right? And it's being these processes are implemented in the western areas. So one thing I could not get is like, are these not particles not found in our area like India or China in these areas? So why is it not currently implemented here? And another was like, how the fine chemicals are different from the normal chemicals that we are producing. Like the normal chemicals that we are using in the industry, are they producing more pollution or something? Like how is that different? And are there any examples available?
To exemplify your question, you use paracetamol. That is essentially fine chemicals, or you can say, and specialty chemicals. But you use H2SO4. So you can see H2SO4. These are produced in very large quantities and can be got by reasonably less amount. Whereas things like paracetamol and the elements and the compounds that are utilized in making those things that are made in very less quantities and are sold at very higher prices. That is difference of fine chemicals from the bulk chemicals and all those things that are required in industries.
Is this production less comparatively to Western countries here?
So, obviously a little less, but we have multiple. I guess it's more than 2,000 companies that essentially manufacture fine chemicals, and more than 20% of those things are manufactured by the top 20 or 30 companies. That is, for example, Dr. Reddy's, AstraZeneca, and those companies, they manufacture a bigger chunk of the entire company.
I love the way they explained, they made the presentation very simple layout, such that we can comfortably understand the concept. That's why I love this presentation.
Like the presentation didn't felt monotonic, but at some point it was a bit fast. Like he his presentation was not at all monotonic, but it was fast. So it was difficult.
If you want me to compare the last year batch and your batch as of now, the previous batch was much better. I'm not criticizing you only guys, but the entire presentation as of now, whatever has happened till today, their presentation was much better than your presentation. That is my personal understanding. I don't see any aesthetic sense in most of the slides, most of the presentation. It's not that you will make a slide and you will present. You need to cater all those points. Your body language, your speech, as well as the slides. You have presented well, but the slides are not up to the mark. And also, that's okay, you all used all caps, but then you changed to the caps, small letters. That significantly undermines the quality of the slides. For everyone, please make sure you have a system, a similar pattern in all the slides. No all caps, and try to make it like there are lots of gaps. Is it possible to fill those gaps with images? And as Pradyut also mentioned, whenever you are showing an image, you need to provide the reference immediately in that slide. You can go at the last slide, but it's better to have in the same slide. Just a footnote kind of thing. And big negative side is particularly you, I have noticed that you were reading whatever is written there. That's a big no. For everyone, please do not read whatever you have written there. That is not the purpose of having a good presentation. You want to improve the presentation. See, after a couple of years or 1 year, you will be the graduate of IIT Delhi. Now, if the standard of the student's presentation is so poor, it will not look good. I mean, your alma mater will be criticized for that. Now, it's your job to make it better. So please pay attention. These are very simple things, but very important for your professional growth also. You will learn slowly with time, but it's better to learn if you have an opportunity. So these are the points. Please, all of you remember this point. This is a very important point for your presentation skill. Okay, it's not the how you speak English, but also how you make the slides. That is also very important. Okay. So anyway, that's all for today. I think the other groups will not present. So good luck for your minor exam to all of you. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
2 सेकंड लगे कैसे इसको पहचान में?
अबे मुझे लगा तो पिछली बार उससे बात कर रहा था तौसीफ से, मैंने कहा इसका नाम नहीं होगा तौसीफ। मुझे पिछली बार यही लगा कि तौसीफ है, इसलिए तुम आगे करती ये क्या, मैं नहीं करूँगा क्या?
हॉस्टल के लोगों का नाम नहीं पता होता, इनके पीछे का नाम
कल तो बात कर रहा था ना, तो गया भी साथ में ही था।
साथ गया था।
हाँ तो वो साथ में गया था, तो मैंने कहा
गेट तक चल,
और है क्या,
वहाँ
कौन से गेट
निकल
तक,
जाएगी।
कौन से गेट तक?
अबे ये तो
हाँ 1 तक, 1 से क्यों जाता है, 3 से जाएगा मेट्रो। हाँ चलो तो कोई, तुम मेट्रो से जाता कैसे जाता है? हाँ तो मेट्रो गेट नंबर 3 से ज़्यादा पास पड़ी। कोई इलाज नहीं है। इंडिया में तो मुश्किल ही है यार, गर्मियों में तो। तो फिर रोज आता है? सुबह 3:30 बजे। और दिन भर यहीं पे रहता है, हाँ ना? ऐसा तो मत कर, अब तो कम करना उसे। दो डब्बे देखिए, एक तो गिनती है बस। गेट बंद कर रहा हूँ। तब भी पहले बना दिया। हाँ वो ठीक है, कितने बोल रहे थे? कौन सा? करने 10 करने होता, मतलब 4 होती है, 3 बड़ी होता है ना, तो 10 तो 4 में होंगे ना, तो एक्स्ट्रा उतर जाता हूँ ना मैं।
अरे ये पैसे चलाने की बहुत सही है।
अबे तो पैदल चलाएंगे तो वो तो चला।
बात है
ठीक है। निकल जा, बारिश होगी फिर।
2 मिनट का रास्ता है।
उसके बाद तो मेट्रो में ही रहना है। यहाँ से हौस से
भाई यहाँ बहुत
कश्मीर
अलग
के
वेदर होता है भाई। यहाँ पे एक टाइम था जैसे बढ़िया मौसम चल रहा था, वहाँ जाके पहुँचा बारिश हो गई।
हाँ, वो भी तो
इधर
है।
बढ़िया मौसम था, इधर आके बारिश हो गई।
हाँ,
कुछ पता नहीं भाई वेदर का।
वो तो है।
मेरे
तो यहाँ से तू कहाँ शहीद स्थल पे उतरता है, कहाँ पे उतरता है?
मेजर मोहित शर्मा,
हैं?
मेजर मोहित शर्मा, राजेंद्र नगर।
अच्छा, राजेंद्र नगर पे।
तू जानता है?
और रेड लाइन पे ना?
हाँ, रेड लाइट।
रेड लाइन
रेड लाइट रेड लाइन में। हाँ, तू गया कभी रेड लाइन?
हाँ, शहीद स्थल पे उतरता हूँ मैं कई बार।
वहाँ पे करता है।
वहाँ पे घर जाने के लिए।
तेरे घर है?
अबे वहाँ से भी बस वगैरह, बस तो खैर मैं वहाँ से लेता हूँ, वैशाली से, ये कौशाम्बी से।
तेरे घर कहाँ पे?
हापुड़।
कितने किलोमीटर दूर है यहाँ से?
50 नहीं, 50 यहाँ से तो 70-80 है।
हापुड़ से साइड चलता है, हापुड़ जाता है।
शहीद स्थल से नहीं जाता हूँ, वहाँ से जाता हूँ कौशाम्बी से। शहीद स्थल पे तो पापा लेने पापा आ जाते हैं कभी, तो वैसे चला जाता हूँ। अदरवाइज तो कौशाम्बी बस अड्डा, ब्लू लाइन।
राजीव चौक पे लगता है।
हाँ, राजीव चौक से फिर यमुना बैंक पे 2 अलग अलग फट्टे, तो पहले से देख के बैठना पड़ता है कि वैशाली की तरफ जो जा रही है उसमें जाता है। एक बार मैं नया मतलब ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता यहाँ पे आए हुए, मैं बैठ गया, मुझे पता नहीं था ऐसे 2 जगह फटती है। मैंने कहा नोएडा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी वही है वैशाली वाली, मान लिया मैंने। मैं उसमें चढ़ गया। मैं मजे अक्षरधाम नया है, मैं एक बार पहले जा चुका था घर पे, मतलब कौशाम्बी से ही गया था, तो मजे से अक्षरधाम की फोटो खींच के घर पे भेज रहा हूँ। फिर एकदम से मुझे रियलाइज हुआ, मैंने कहा कौशाम्बी दिख नहीं रहा है इसमें।
भाई याद रखना क्या होता है, अल्टरनेटिव चलते हैं, एक दिलशाद गार्डन जाते हैं, एक साइड चलता है, ठीक है, अल्टरनेटिव चलता है।
हाँ, एक बार मेरे साथ भी हुआ था ऐसा।
मैं 3 बार हुआ था। मैं जा रहा हूँ, आगे जाता है तो पीछे कुछ आ रही है।
पता नहीं मैं खोया हुआ, तो पता नहीं क्या ऐसे चल रही है, इधर वाला गेट खुलना चाहिए, तो उधर वाला गेट खुला, कुछ लोग उतर गए कि आगे नहीं जाएगी। मैं कहा पागल है ये, जाएगी आगे। फिर एकदम से अनाउंसमेंट, तो उतर जाओ। फिर उतरा
मैं ईयरफोन लगा के जा रहा था, मैं देख रहा हूँ दिलशाद गार्डन के पास आने से जीन मेरा साइड में था, ठीक है।
हाँ,
मैं देख रहा हूँ मानसरोवर पार्क कहाँ से आ गया। भाई अभी मैंने अपने आंखों से देखा था मानसरोवर पार्क आते हुए, आगे कहीं रुकी थी, वापिस नीचे जा रही है, गेट बंद होने के बाद फिर वापिस पीछे जा रही है। मैं सोच रहा हूँ कश्मीरी गेट से गलत इंग्लिश में पकड़ लिया।
फिर मेरा क्या हुआ था, अक्षरधाम के अगले स्टेशन पे मैं उतरा, फिर मैंने कहा नहीं मैं सही पे हूँ, मैं वापस अंदर घुस गया। फिर अगले स्टेशन पे उतरा हूँ मैं, फिर लेके आया, फिर अपना बैंक में बंद
पता 3 बार क्यों स्कैम हुआ। मैं पहली बार आया था ना यहाँ पे, ठीक है, पहली बार आया था, तो लेकर रेगुलर जाने पे खाने वाला, पहली बार सामान रखने आया था, ठीक है। तो 3 दिन लगा था, 3 दिन लगे थे सामान पहुँचाने में, अलग अलग टाइप का, ठीक है। बस का पैसा बहुत अगर साथ में एक साथ लेके आते तो ज़्यादा पैसा लगता है। अभी 50 किलोमीटर दूर है, 30 रुपये के अंदर हो जाएगा
क्या बस के अंदर?
नहीं, अगर तेरे को सामान जो रखना है उसका रखना है, 50 किलोमीटर दूर 3 में बैठ जाएगा। 3 बार आना पड़ेगा मेरे को, तीनों बार गड़बड़ कर रहा था, घर जाने में लेट हो रहा था बार
3 बार लगातार आया तब भी।
इसके बाद तो दिक्कत नहीं है, इसके बाद एक बार दिक्कत आई थी बस, वो तब क्योंकि ईयरफोन लगा के बैठ रहा था वहाँ पे, ईयरफोन हटा रहे थे।
अच्छा,
हल्का हल्का से मुझे ऐसा तो चला के निकाल के देखता हूँ, ये कहता है हारा एक बात छोड़ो आगे मत जाओ, ठीक है। उसका तो फिर
सार्थक का दूसरी साइड है थोड़ा रूम, ये धर्मेश है, सौरभ है, ईशू है, साहिल है, सरफिया टेक्सटाइल, मुजाहिद के बगल वाले रूम में रहता था। क्या चाह रहा है?
तुम लोग अकेला पल नहीं आता वहाँ पे?
अरे सारे अपने लोग ही हैं ना आसपास, तो ऐसा लगता है। मैं अभी सेमेस्टर जब शुरू हुआ था ना, जब आया मैं इसमें घुसा, मैंने कहा फर्स्ट ईयर की फील आ गई, कोई किसी को जानता ही नहीं। एकदम ऐसी फील आई थी मुझे कि जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर में तो नहीं आ गया मैं।
22 जुलाई को आज मैं भी यही फील कर रहा था अपने
वही
बीच में कितने रियलाइज कराया था जब कम्युनिकेशन मैं तो लगा आज 2 साल में पोस्टिंग बदल देता हूँ, जो मेरे लिए तो कॉमन बात है, ठीक है। हर 2 साल में मेरी पोस्टिंग कॉमन बात है, हर 2 साल में। और ये कॉमन बात तब होती है जब नया जगह जाती है। अपनी जगह में 2 साल में कैसे बदल गया मैं, अपनी जगह में बदल गया 2 साल में। 2 साल ही रहे थे ना यहाँ पे। अपनी जगह में कैसे बदल गया मैं, चोरी कर दी मैंने।
अरे थोड़ा खाली तो लगता है मैथ्स में मतलब किसी को जानते नहीं, तो साथ में एक कॉर्नर फिक्स है, हम उसी रो में बैठते हैं आखिरी वाली में, उसमें लाइक जहाँ जगह मिल जाती है वहाँ बैठ जाते, 1-1.5 डाल देते।
मेरे को पता है जब तू रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा था उस टाइम मेरे दिल खराब कर रहा था।
क्यों?
जब तू रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा था ग्रुप के लिए,
हाँ
उस टाइम मेरी दिन खराब कर रहा था, तो मुझे ग्रुप से निकाल रहा है। क्योंकि जब पता चला डिग्री एक्सटेंडेड स्टूडेंट आ रहा है यहाँ पे, तो उन्होंने अलग डिस्क्रिमिनेट करना शुरू कर दिया।
अच्छा है भैया।
तो ऐसा लगा कि डिग्री एक्सटेंडेड है ये तू था
कौन से ग्रुप में?
ASL वाले प्रेजेंटेशन वाले, फिर RTL वाले ग्रुप में। ऐसा लगने लगा भाई ये RTL वाले की मुझे गौरव पासवान जिन्हें निकाल दिया। मतलब वो उसको किसी और ने ऐड कर दिया, वो ले नहीं पाया।
वो औरों ने कही होगी,
जबकि अपने ईयर का था, ईयर का था, इसके बावजूद सीनियर के साथ उसको लैब कर दिया। मुझे याद आ गया, जबकि 3 लोग अपने डिपार्टमेंट के थे, छोटा बंदा बाहर से आ रहा था, उसको ले लिया, मुझे बाहर कर दिया। ये हो रहा था बीच में, उसको बहुत बार आई।
अब बन गया वो,
बनना में तो पड़ेगा,
वो तो बनेगा ही, टीचर बनाएगा।
टीचर नहीं, कुछ रिक्वेस्ट कर करके पूछ रहा था
टीचर नहीं, वरना इन टाइम टीचर बना देता ना,
बना लेता है। अकेले भी कर सकता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं
तो है। लेकिन लाइक जहाँ पे लाइक 2 जने हो सकते हो तो 2 जने हो ना।
आपको पता नहीं भाई, जिस पेज पे तुम लग रहे हो, बोलो लाइक कर रहे हो, एडिटिंग नहीं देखा यार। ये वही लोग हैं जिसको निकाला था, वही लोग थे जो रेगुलर कमेंट करते थे, हाँ ये रिप्लाई करते थे। इधर रस्सी भर का आइडिया नहीं है यहाँ पे, जो लोग कह रहे हैं ना तुमने
तो ना बंद ही कर दिया शायद वो।
हाँ पढ़ाया, मेरे को हॉस्टल में टीचिंग में काम कर रहा हूँ, मैंने अपने टीवी में मेंशन किया हुआ था। हालांकि काम करने का नहीं, कम्युनिकेशन 3 साल इंटर्नशिप कर चुके थे, तो हम यूज लग हो के मामले में तो कुछ काम करने का तो मेंशन कर दिया प्लस पॉइंट।
हाँ मतलब मान लो दोनों की सेम और तेरे में वो दिख जाएगा तो वो बेटर है ना।
तो उनमें ऐसा हो गया कि वो तो ऐसे कैसा मेरे खुद के दम पे नहीं ना, पापा के दम पे गया था, पापा ने हेल्प करवाई थी। तो उन्होंने बताया था जो जो तुम यहाँ पे लिखोगे कुछ भी करोगे वो पेज में यहाँ कहीं भी मेंशन करोगे, कॉपीराइट नहीं जानी चाहिए।
अच्छा तो तुझे डर है कि कई फ्लो में वो डाल दिया। वो दिक्कत है।
मेरे पास बहुत आइडियाज आता है यहाँ पे, मैं रेगुलर पूरी क्लास इसलिए आता हूँ क्योंकि आइडिया रहे मैं तो छोटे से दिमाग में आ जाएगा। लड़कियाँ छोटी छोटी बात में इसमें कंजूसी करती है ना, क्या कहते हैं सरोजनी नगर में लड़के 1.5 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं कुछ सोने के लिए, 1.5 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं सोने के लिए, 1 लाख रुपए देश में सोने के लिए, वो भी चैन से नहीं सो पा रहे हैं। लड़के तो बहुत कम कंजूस है, वो सोचते नहीं 1.5 लाख रुपए लगाना। ये बड़ा था मैं आपको कई बार बना के आ गया, पब्लिक की होती है, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ मुझे कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा, कह रहा है अमेरिका से देख लो क्या करना है। 7-8 कंट्री इंडिया में आया था 2012 में, वो भी यहाँ आता था पढ़ी मेरा मैगजीन में कॉमिक लिखता हूँ पता 16 लोग यहाँ पे पढ़ी नहीं सकता, उधर ही जाकर पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
तो इंडिया में नहीं पढ़ सकता है क्या?
इंडिया में कैसे पढ़ेगा, मैगजीन से आएगी नहीं।
अच्छा डिजिटल नहीं होगी
तो वेला बैठाने की कोशिश।
मतलब तेरा काम जा रहा है लेकिन तू देख नहीं पा रहा।
वहाँ बाकी लोग देख पा रहे हैं कि मैं इंडिया में, बाकी तो भाई अपने अपने कंट्री में। भाई अमेरिका में बिल्कुल ठीक है भाई, मुसलमान यहूदी दोनों साथ में काम कर रहा है, रन फर्क नहीं बढ़ रहा है, इजराइल पैलेस्टीन में यूज कर रहा है। लोग आपस में दुश्मनी मना रहे हैं, उनका क्या बात है भाई आपस में?
अरे लड़ाई तो हो ही रही है, लेकिन जिन्हें लड़ाई करनी है वो तो लड़ते नहीं है। जो लड़ाई वैसे करना चाह रहे हैं वो लड़ते नहीं है, जिन्हें नहीं करनी है वो उन्हें करनी पड़ेगी।
वो बंदा आराम से चला रहा पैलेस्टीन में, अगर आतंकवादी हमला कर रहा है वो चुप रहे उनके बीच में, बड़ी बिल्डिंग क्या करती है थोड़ा सा आराम से। बस आप इंडिया में रह रहे हैं, पापा मुझे एक साथ से रहा था, ठीक है आज के तरह में पाकिस्तान पूरी दुनिया में आ गए।
कैसे?
तो वहाँ से बाहर रीजन था, जहाज पुराना था, उसके बाद कुछ था नहीं कुछ करने को, जहाज पुराना कह रहा है जब तक कैसे चला लो, जस्ट लाइक तुम्हारा हॉस्टल टूटने वाला है और तुम्हें कह रहे हैं जब तक ये रियलाइज हो रहा है भाई मेरी कान।
अरे जब बोल रहे जब बीच में हुआ था ना कि कुछ है नहीं तो आई तो थी कुछ बात की, हम तो आज अनहैबिटेबल डिक्लेयर कर दे, रह लेना कहीं भी ऐसा कुछ आई थी
भाई। मैं तो जनरली लोग ये भी दिमाग में आया था, जनरली तुम लोग सोचते हो कि थोड़ा सा ख्याल आता है तो पंखे गिरने वाला है, मुझे ख्याल आता है पूरे
वी आर डिफरेंट।
आदत के मुँह पे गिरा है ना वो,
क्या उसके मुँह पे गिरा था कुछ?
हाँ खून निकलने का
ये नहीं पता मुझे,
तो आई थी शायद कि सारा रिपोर्ट ही
नहीं हूँ
तब नहीं होगा
करने जब नया अच्छा नहीं तब नहीं मतलब वो लाइक मैंने वो फोटो देखी कि हाँ कुछ गिरा है और किसी के ऊपर नहीं गिरा, बस गिरा है
के मुँह पे गिरा था, आराम से सो रहा था। मेरे इसी में काम करती है
भाई वो तो फिर
तुम तो 30 फ्लोर में रह रहे हमारे दोस्त और मैं क्यों एक्सेंट था क्या कहते हैं नहीं प्रेजेंट था ना तो हाउस डे वाले बस हो गया था सही टाइम पर, अच्छा हुआ सही में तो गया, अदरवाइज मेरी की आने वाली थी ऊपर ही गपागप करेंगे, मेरी गान कटेगी मेरे ऊपर नहीं गिर जाएगा, ऊपर कर भी रहे थे ऐसे गपागप सिंगर रह रहे उनका करेंगे अपने
कब हुआ था
हाउस डे
अभी जो हुआ था?
याद नहीं अब तो मेरा ID कार्ड बदलने वाला
क्यों?
अभी PFC में एंटर नहीं होती पुराना ID कार्ड एक्सपायर्ड वाला लाइब्रेरी में हो जाती है एक्सपायर्ड ID कार्ड।
एक्सपायर्ड मतलब
तुम्हारा एक्सपायर्ड नहीं हुआ है, तुम्हारा 5 ईयर है, जिनका 4 ईयर है उनका एक्सपायर्ड हो चुका है तो दिख जाता है।
क्या दिख जाता है? क्या बन गया क्या तेरा? तो फिर क्या दिखा रहा है?
ये 32 और 24।
ओह अच्छा इसलिए अपने यहाँ बनेगा यही है सेम ना?
हाँ बस हॉस्टल हट जाएगा
जो मेरी क्लास भी है
हो गया मेरी क्लास में कुछ पहले से जानता हूँ कुछ जानता हूँ बाकी एक कम नाम
अब क्या ही करना है जान के अभी
आगे बैठता हूँ सीधा पीछे देख रही है वहाँ की राइट पीछे क्लास देख रही है
अगले टाइम 1-to-1 भी करेगा टॉपिक भी करेगा ना ऐसे भाई कर लियो क्यों वो भी कम करेगा अरे नहीं
अभी तो सारी क्लास अटेंड करूँगा और सारे क्योंकि मैं घर पे रह रहा हूँ ना घर पे मेरे दोस्त भी रह रहा है वो भी उठा देता है मेरा सही टाइम पे उसका सोने का टाइम होता है जब मेरा उठने का टाइम होता है तो मुझे उठा देता है वो टाइम से पहले अदरवाइज जब मैं यहाँ रहता था एग्जाम दे नहीं पाता था सो रहा होता है।
अब तो ऐसे भी पूरे दिन यहीं रहता है
तो एग्जाम तैयारी दूँगा किसी कोर्स में बैठ
परसों होगा तेरा पेपर?
हाँ है 2 पेपर 17 था 18।
अरे सेम मेरे भी ऐसी है
तेरे की 4 कोर्स है 4 कोर्स उठाए
मेरे 5
कोर्स उठाए ऐड मत करना, ऐड कर बोल रहा
नहीं नहीं नहीं
वैसे कहाँ मेरे से आ रहे
हैं
वैसे क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है,
एमएसएल
OT एक्स्ट्रा कर रहा है, जो OT में चाहे टिका नंबर आया
अरे कर रहा हूँ भाई, माइनर कर रहा हूँ दिस इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मैनेजमेंट।
वो एडमिशन मिल गया ना यार,
तो
जो बिजनेस है उसको फिर वहाँ जाना होता होगा।
DMS नहीं जरूरी नहीं है, इस बार है क्लास मेरी है अभी समझ है, जब निकलता हूँ उसमें
क्लास की प्रैक्टिकल भी नहीं कराते DMS में।
प्रैक्टिकल क्या होता है, कुछ प्रैक्टिकल कुछ नहीं,
पैसे किस बात के लिए मिलते हैं, पढ़ाने के, 60 लाख जो कॉलेज फीस है पढ़ाने के लिए।
प्रैक्टिकल कैसा होगा,
मतलब कि तुमको लेके जाएंगे, प्रेजेंटेशन देना होगा,
प्रेजेंटेशन तो लेते ही है ना,
कंपनी आती है करवाने के लिए, ये पैसे लेते हैं ना इतना 4-60 लाख का, तो इस तरीके से पैसे कंपनी को देने पड़ते हैं।
किस चीज़ के लिए, कंपनी लेक्चर लेती है था,
लेक्चर नहीं, वो प्रैक्टिस करवाती है।
वो MBA वालों के लिए होता होगा, क्या पता,
तुम्हारा MBA नहीं आता
भाई UG हूँ मैं,
देखो कोर्स तो उठा सकते हो ना।
हाँ वो तो हमारे लिए बने मतलब है, लाइक एक ही कोर्स हो रहा है DMS वरना इलेक्ट्रिक नहीं होता है, UG सेक्शन UG के लिए कोर्स अलग बना रखा है, इसलिए
कोर्स करा क्लियर कर लो, MBA का जो सेकंड ईयर वाला कोर्स है, MBA वाला कोर्स है,
अरे वो भगा देते हैं। मैंने उठाया था एक कोर्स सुबह 9:30 बजे का, तो उसके अंदर कह दिया कि मतलब डीरजिस्टर कर दो वरना हम कर देंगे, तो और बाकी MBA वाले नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, ये होता है। तो इन द एंड प्रोफेसर की ही चलती है कि UG वालों के अलाउड नहीं है,
जगह ही नहीं बैठती,
होती है मतलब पता ही नहीं भाई। अरे बेसिकली जिन जॉब को नहीं लेना वो नहीं लेंगे ना, UG वाले से एक ही कोर्स है UG वाला, ये रात वाला, इसे रात वाला लिया है,
बाकी एक ही UG वाला कोर्स है,
इस सेमेस्टर नहीं है मतलब BE, और बाकी एक कोर्स है वो तो कोर्स है,
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर तो कोर्स सीरीज की साइड होता है MBA में,
हाँ
सारे कोर्सेज में नॉन क्रेडिट साइड वाला कोर्स है,
हाँ।
मैं तू एक अप्लाई करते बाकी कोई अलाउड नहीं कर रहा घुसने के लिए।
अरे वो केस अलग होता है, जैसे 700 लेवल 300 लेवल वैसी है ना, मैं उसके अंदर भी 700 लेवल का एक का रखा है, बाकी 300 लेवल है वो तो UG सेक्शन के लिए, UG के लिए बना है, MBA वाला कोई नहीं करेगा उसके अंदर।
तो 700 वाले में UG वाले कोई नहीं करेगा।
हाँ मतलब वो प्रोफेसर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, ले सकते हैं लेकिन प्रोफेसर अगर मना करेगा तो नहीं लेने देंगे ऐसा। मेरे सबसे इवन सेम में ज़्यादा फ्लोट होते हैं और सेम में कम फ्लोट होते
अगर मेरे एक और साल सस्पेंड होती है,
हैं। हाँ
मैं लेके नहीं
अरे मिल जाते हैं वो प्रोफेसर, कोई प्रोफेसर देता कोई
प्रोफेसर
प्रोफेसर।
ने भगाया, कौन से प्रोफ ने भगाया तेरे को?
सीमा में,
पता करके दिखाइए।
सीमा तो सर,
सीमा
सीमा शर्मा। अरे गिवन दैट कि वो UG को नहीं ले रही हो तब,
भाई देख हमारे पास अधिकार है,
हाँ वो तो है।
अगर जगह है तो।
अरे उन्होंने कहा कि जैसे फुल हो गया कि मैं गया नहीं 2 दिन क्लास, मुझे सुनने में आई थी, मैं दूसरी क्लास में गया था, क्योंकि दिख रहा था ये वाला नहीं कि लाइक जो भी UG वाले हैं वो डीरजिस्टर कर दो, जिससे कि MBA वालों के लिए जगह बने।
MBA अगर प्रायोरिटी तुमने अलाउ कैसे करा?
अब वो ERP में दिक्कत है भाई, रिमार्क में लिखा था ओनली MBA दिस ईयर सेकंड ईयर अलाउड ऐसे लिखा होता है, लेकिन UG वाले कर रहे हैं ERP है तो खत्म है भाई। पहले याद नहीं वो एंड करके लाइक 110 बिची 111 बिची है, वो एंड काम नहीं कर रहा, अगर एक भी कर रखा है तो भी रजिस्टर कर पा रहे, वो बात होता। ये टॉकिर ने 231 नहीं करा था, 331 और लैब के लिए रजिस्टर कर लिया था, उसके अगले साल से इन्होंने एनफोर्स करा है कि हाँ एंड काम करे। 301 वाला
331 भी आता है।
हाँ 231 है।
अभी मुझे वो पोस्ट मिला नहीं।
क्यों?
331 वाला नहीं।
अबे वो नहीं 231 वाला 231 वाला। हाँ तो वही ना, इन्फोर्स कर दिया, अगर नहीं करा तो हो जाता। एंड लगा दी, अब एंड काम करता है, पहले एंड काम नहीं करता था। लिखा दिखता था लेकिन एंड अगर मारे थे
निकलने से पहले मारूंगा पक्का मारूंगा।
चल ठीक है।
आज मारना ऐसे पक्का काम मारूंगा।
चल ठीक है।
हाँ